Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Crypto Corner with myself, OJ, crypto analyst and investor since 2016. Today I'm going to share with you 10 altcoins that I'm personally accumulating and I'm adding to my portfolio. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So the market is taking a dive right now, and there is no better time to scoop some outs on the sales. So I'm taking a break from my holiday, and today I'm going to discuss 10 altcoins that are worth looking into for potential big gains during the next bull run. This is not an investment advice, but a list of coins that I'm actually accumulating and adding to my portfolio for the mid to long term, because I keep seeing your questions in the comments where you're asking me about what altcoins am I trading or investing in. These selections aren't just random, they're based on some seriously juicy developments and upcoming events that are bound to make waves in the crypto sphere. It's important to mention that today's list is about altcoins with strong fundamentals, meaning these are good for longer term hold, but at the same time, not necessarily the ones that will bring the most crazy returns. My DGen portfolio is more about high-risk assets that can bring 50x or 100x or even more. But being high-risk, they're not good for longer-term holds, so I will be sharing those later on, closer to the time of the bull cycle. I'm not accumulating high-risk assets right now, it's a bit too early for that. With that said, let's dive into it. Starting with Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency of them all. Only second to Bitcoin by market capitalization, Ethereum has a wide range of use cases beyond just a store of value or medium of exchange. Ethereum's smart contract functionality allows developers to build dApps and has become the backbone of decentralized finance, and has enabled the creation of non-fungible tokens, which will come back to prominence during the next bull run. So I always have Ether in my portfolio, and I'm increasing my position in Ether right now. Over the past month, the cryptocurrency has maintained a relatively narrow trading range and has registered a very modest 1.3% price change against the US dollar, but this will not be for too long. Once the bull run begins, I expect massive gains, and it will outperform Bitcoin once again, as it does every bull cycle. Scooping it on the low is a great deal for me. Next is XRP. There's been so much talk about this coin that I hardly have to introduce it to you. In July, the New York court ruled that XRP is not a security when sold on exchanges, and with this news the price of XRP skyrocketed, reaching a high of 90 cents, after which it began a pullback that is still going on, and falling below 60 cents makes it a great entry point for me, so I'm accumulating. Next on my list is Maker, a governance token for the MakerDAO, a decentralized autonomous organization overseeing the Maker protocol. It's responsible for creating and managing DAI, a decentralized stablecoin linked to the US dollar. The DAI savings rate has recently been increased from 3% to 8%, making it an attractive asset to mint and hold. This is one of the highest rates that's currently offered on a stablecoin in the decentralized finance ecosystem. This yield on DAI is poised to make Maker an even more relevant protocol in the DeFi landscape, and it will be very interesting to see how Maker markets behave moving forward. And here I want to make a note that this list is not a definite one. It will change with time, and I will be updating it regularly. I will share with you what coins or tokens I'm adding or removing from it, so make sure to hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted when I'm posting a new video. Moving on to Lido DAO. Lido is a DeFi project that allows users to earn rewards on their cryptocurrency holdings by staking them on several blockchain networks, including Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, Polkadot, and Kusama. One of the benefits of using Lido is that it allows users to earn rewards on their staked Ether without having to run their own staking node, which, as you probably know, is very technically complex and requires 32 Ether, which is out of reach for most cryptocurrency users. Instead, Lido pools user funds together to create a large validator node, with each receiving a share of rewards based on their pool contribution. Currently, Lido accounts for over 30% of all staked Ether, and this makes it a strong contender for my portfolio. I was trading this token actually in the early spring, but then I exited all my altcoin positions as Bitcoin's dominance picked up, so now I'm returning to the alts for the next bull run, and Lido is one of those. Moving on to Arbitrum, a layer 2 protocol designed to enhance scalability and reduce fees on the Ethereum blockchain developed by Off-Chain Labs. Arbitrum aims to address the limitations of the Ethereum network, such as high transaction costs and slower transaction confirmation times, by allowing for off-chain computation and scaling the network's capability. The Arbitrum community has recently voted in favor of a proposal that will lock 700 million ARB tokens worth over $700 million at current market rates for a duration of 4 years. The token will be locked into a vesting contract and released periodically. This is good as it limits the circulating supply and prevents large sell-offs, which I like. The next one on my list is Shiba, a meme coin that used to be in my DGen portfolio but has now moved into my general list. Shiba Inu gained popularity in 2021 after it was listed on several cryptocurrency exchanges, and in fact the token had one of the most impressive runs in crypto history, as the meme coin gained over 430,000x throughout 2021. It is often compared to Dogecoin, another meme-inspired cryptocurrency, as it features the Shiba Inu dog breed as its mascot. However, unlike Dogecoin, the project aims to create a decentralized ecosystem for a variety of use cases, including decentralized exchanges, NFTs, and more. The development team has also created a Shiba Inu-themed decentralized exchange called ShibaSwap, and right now we're seeing the launch of the long-awaited Shibarium, a layer 2 platform designed as a scaling solution for Ethereum. A unique feature of Shibarium is the planned introduction of a mechanism wherein Shiba tokens are burned with each transaction. This makes it a deflationary token, and it could bolster the token's appeal as a long-term investment. The launch caused a lot of hype, and the token is with impressive 24% gains in the last month, but as it goes through its correction right now, it will present some great buy opportunities in the short term. Next on my list is Aptos, a layer 1 blockchain designed to offer an exceptionally scalable foundation for executing smart contracts. The platform adopts the Move smart contract programming language, initially created for the Libra blockchain project. This was the failed Facebook stablecoin project, if you remember. Notably, the Move language comes equipped with special safety features, effectively minimizing the likelihood of unexpected glitches in smart contracts. Developers claim that the Aptos protocol has the capacity to process a substantial volume of transactions, boasting capabilities of up to 100,000 transactions per second in testing. This impressive processing speed is achievable through an innovative approach centered on pipelined and modular transaction processing. On top of this, Aptos will adopt Microsoft's Azure cloud computing solution to operate validator nodes, and this strategic move enhances the security infrastructure of the Aptos network, contributing to its overall robustness. The partnership with Microsoft also introduces a product known as the Aptos Assistant, which harnesses the power of Microsoft's artificial intelligence technology to help new users join the Web3 ecosystem. This makes Aptos appealing to me, and I'm yet to scoop some. I haven't yet started accumulating this coin, so this drop in the market is giving me a good opportunity to grab it on the low. Another coin that I don't have at all yet is Curve. This is an automated market maker protocol facilitating efficient trading among various ERC20 tokens. This protocol is particularly renowned for its stablecoin liquidity pools, which hold a pivotal role within the DeFi ecosystem. In its prime, during early 2022, the Curve protocol achieved an impressive total value locked of nearly $24 billion. And even though the 2022 bear market led to a significant drop in Curve's total value locked, it continues to hold a position among the 10 largest DeFi protocols. Just a few weeks ago, the Curve protocol fell victim to an exploit in which attackers drained $70 million worth of funds, most of which have since been returned. Following this incident though, the token price crashed and I scooped some on the low. such events usually cause a temporary drop in value as people are selling out of fear, uncertainty and doubt, but my experience shows that in most cases these tokens recover very well, and I'm not too worried about the future of Curve, so I will be scooping more on the sales. Chainlink is my ultimate out in this list. I've already talked about Link in a separate video recently, so I won't take much time to explain its fundamentals. You can refer to that video if you need. You will see it pop up here and at the end of this video too. As you probably know, Chainlink is an Oracle network that provides real-world data to blockchain networks, and it helps different blockchains to communicate with each other. It's in fact the most used Oracle network of them all, so the potential for growth is immense. I'm super bullish on Link, and I've been accumulating it for the past 2 months on the dips. For me, anything below $7 for Link is a great price, so now that the token price is falling in the $6 territory, I will be adding more to my position for the medium to long term. My target price for Link is around $100 during the next bull cycle, and I'll be waiting for that peak to unload my holdings. Lastly, Cosmos is a blockchain project designed to enable the interoperability and scalability of different blockchain networks, dubbed the Internet of Blockchains. The native cryptocurrency of the Cosmos network is called Atom. Cosmos aims to address some of the key challenges facing the blockchain industry, including the lack of interoperability between different blockchain networks, scalability issues, and the need for greater efficiency in transaction processing. Like Chainlink, Cosmos also achieves interoperability by allowing different blockchains to communicate with each other. It does this through a shared hub called the Cosmos Hub, which acts as a central point of communication for different blockchains, enabling them to transfer assets and data between each other. One exciting development in the Cosmos ecosystem is the upcoming release of Eden v.50, which will empower the application layer to have more control over how the consensus engine conducts state machine replication and provide more flexibility and customization options to dApps. This upgrade will not only allow Cosmos to compete with the fastest chains, but also unlocks new use cases and applications, the team explained on Twitter. One of the sources that I use a lot in my market analysis and research is Token Metrics, a website that is rich in tools and analytics. If you want to know when it's the right time to enter a position on any coin or token, and more importantly when to exit, because this is really the difficult part, there are loads of metrics here to help you with that. This is one of their AI tools that helps me analyze the market better and spot the right entry or exit points. As you can see, it gives you a green signal when the market turns bullish, meaning we're in an uptrend, and the red signals indicate when the market has turned bearish, thus exiting positions and preventing losses becomes really easy with this tool. There are so many tools that you can use. Here is another one, the Out Season Bitcoin Season Indicator, that gives me a very good idea if it's time to diversify into outs, or should my focus be on Bitcoin instead. There's no need to be a backholder during a bear market. I think by now this much is clear. And with this tool, it's a no-brainer. They provide in-depth data and stats on all cryptocurrencies and a lot of new upcoming projects, launches and token sales. This is where I find unknown gems before they hit the mainstream. Their emails offer a detailed breakdown on technicals and fundamentals on new projects, and their expertise in this field is second to none. With Token Metrics, you can really advance your analysis and improve your investment strategies. I've been a premium member of Token Metrics for the past 2 years, and I'm using it on a daily basis. You get a 10% discount with my link, so go check it out from the description below or by scanning this QR code. Alright, well, this concludes today's episode of Crypto Corner, everyone. Thanks for staying until the end of the video. I hope this helps, and if it does, show your support by leaving a like, also a comment below. Let me know if you have any questions or any suggestions for topics that you want me to cover, and bear in mind that as soon as my holiday ends, after next week, I will be posting more regular episodes. It's just this week and last week I've been posting very sporadically. I know that, but I just needed some time off as well, and I'm taking this time when the market was going sideways because there was not really that much happening, so hopefully it was good timing. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit subscribe and also enable notifications so you know when I'm posting a new episode. Also check out the links in the description below where I drop the links to all of the crypto services that I'm personally using and that I recommend to you. And while you're here, just pick another one of my videos and I'm gonna see you there.